Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Manchester. We are driving on the Melrose Hill Road. We're driving over Melrose Hill and we're driving from Melrose Hill to Porus. So back in the day, this was the original road that you use when driving from Mandeville to Kingston. Before the bypass was built, before the Winston Jones Highway was built. On the right, over on the hill, that is the Highway 2000 project, or the highway itself. There's a highway being built to go from Maypen to Mandeville, and that's called the Highway 2000. And that is the road being built on the right. Alright, we now come into the intersection with, if we were to go right, we would go on the Melrose Hill bypass. And we're going left and going into Porus. So this is the town of Porus. On the left is the Methodist Church. As you drive through Jamaica, you notice there are a lot of churches: Baptist, Presbyterian, United, Methodist, And a lot of the schools in Jamaica were started by a church organization. Catholic schools like Immaculate, Champion are all Catholic schools that were started by the church. Alright, so this is like the town center for Porus now. Of course, you know, in Jamaica, persons just stop anywhere. So you see these cars just parked on the road. So the 2-lane road becomes 3 lanes because persons choose to park on the road. And look at that, there's a parking lot on the left where you can easily park on the left and just cross the road. Okay, on the right is the Manchester Parish Court outstation, and the police station is also on the right. This is the town center for Porus. On the left is another church. This one is Trinity Baptist Church, and right beside it is the Porus High School, which a church started or founded the school. On the right is the Porus Market. Right is the Anglican Church. On the right is a school. Alright, so we're now driving out of Porus. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.